And I just wish that all of your wishes will come true. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I decided to make a series, a whole online course on manifestation, and I'm going to call it Manifestation 101. This is for everyone who just tapped into their manifestation power and they are not sure what to do because there are so many information on YouTube, on internet, it's scattered, and even I have like several videos of manifestation and you use different techniques and you see it's not working, you try to jump from one technique to another. That is why I decided to come up with my manifestation course free of charge. It will be 8 exercises, 8 videos, and today we will do number 1. And guys, it's amazing. It works. Just today I was able to manifest $200 out of nowhere, and I know that my friends use this technique and like hundreds of thousands of people use this technique and they get whatever they want in their life. So if you're ready for the course, it will be fun, it will be easy, and you'll be surprised and shocked by the results. Even like after 3rd or 4th exercise, people see the results and they're like, wow, I have even more faith and motivation to do things in my life, like to finish this course in order to get the results. The most important thing is actually doing the exercises, because what I did before, I would just see the video and I'm like, yeah, great, that sounds amazing, and then I'm just doing the same shit that I've been doing. Or like I read the book and I'm like, yeah, great ideas, great exercises, I love it, and then I close it and I'm just living my life like I did. But my coach told me once that doing the same things won't bring you to different results. So in order to get different results, in order to be able to manifest something in your life, you need to take different actions. So if your actions before was like just reading, just watching the videos and not doing anything, try something different, try alternative, try doing something, try this course. And you guys, it's just super easy, super fast. You don't have to do much, but the results will amaze you. I promise, I guarantee you, within a year after like this course, you'll be able to manifest the wildest, the craziest dreams that you have. So overall, we'll have 8 exercises during like this 21 days, and take it as an experiment, see how it goes for you. Here is the schedule that I'll be posting my videos at. Without further ado, let's start our lesson number 1. First thing we'll do is to set an intention that you will be able to do all 8 exercises and that you will be able to manifest everything and that you will finish this course. Okay, here, set an intention. I will finish this course and manifest everything in my life. Okay, good. We set an intention, and the second exercise is to declutter everything in your home, in your room, like 30 items. You need to take out 30 items per room. So if you're living with someone and you only have your own room, it will be 1 room, 30 items per room. If you have 3 rooms, you'll have to take out 90 items of trash from your house. The balcony, the bathroom also counts as a room, and it doesn't have to be like 30 per room. It can be overall, like I take out, if I have 3 rooms, I take out 10 pieces of one room and maybe 80 pieces from another room. So overall it's like 90 per 3 rooms. So if you are traveling, if you don't have access to your home, to your room, to your stuff, you can clear out everything on your phone. All the apps, all the photos, videos, all things, all notes, all things that you are not longer using and that take your space, you just need to clear them out. It's very, very important to prepare a space, an empty space for your wishes, because if everything is cluttered in your life, nothing new, nothing good, no manifestations, no wishes will come true in your house. This is very, very important. It sets a tone for the rest of our course, and you will feel amazing after this exercise. So much relief, just trust me. And you can post the pic of the trash that you're taking out on your Instagram, and you can tag me. Here is my Instagram account. I'll be happy to keep up there, and I'll be happy to see your results of your exercise. Sign up for my channel so that you don't miss the rest of the 7 of classes that we're going to have on our Manifestation 101 course. Like this video, share it with your friends. Sharing is caring. The more people will know about the power of thought, the manifestations that we're able to do, the better it will be. And I just wish that all of your wishes will come true.